Kamu mau lancar berbahasa Inggris? Kesungguhan dan konsistensi merupakan kunci utama yang perlu kalian miliki saat mulai belajar bahasa Inggris. Rutinlah mengulang materi ini dengan praktik mandiri atau dengan temanmu dan rasakan bagaimana peningkatannya. Ayo mulai. Apakah ada tempat untuk mengisi daya ponsel?
Is there a place to charge phones? Is there a place to charge phones?
Ya, di ruang tunggu.
Yes, in the lounge area. Yes, in the lounge area.
Bagaimana pendapatmu tentang festival ini?
What do you think of this festival? What do you think of this festival?
Sangat seru dan ramai.
It's very exciting and crowded. It's very exciting and crowded.
Bagaimana suasana di sini?
How is the atmosphere here? How is the atmosphere here?
Sangat meriah dan ramai.
It's festive and crowded. It's festive and crowded.
Apa kamu sudah coba makanan di sini?
Have you tried the food here? Have you tried the food here?
Ya, sangat lezat.
Yes, it's very tasty. Yes, it's very tasty.
Siapa penyanyi favoritmu di festival ini?
Who is your favorite singer at this festival? Who is your favorite singer at this festival?
Aku suka band lokal.
I like the local band. I like the local band.
Kapan kita akan melihat pertunjukan utama?
When will we see the main show? When will we see the main show?
Sekitar 1 jam lagi.
In about an hour. In about an hour.
Apakah ada wahana yang ingin kamu coba?
Is there a ride you want to try? Is there a ride you want to try?
Iya, aku ingin naik biang lala.
Yes, I want to ride the Ferris wheel. Yes, I want to ride the Ferris wheel.
Bagaimana kita bisa mendapatkan tiket VIP?
How can we get VIP tickets? How can we get VIP tickets?
Kita bisa membelinya di loket khusus.
We can buy them at the special counter. We can buy them at the special counter.
Apa kita bisa membawa minuman sendiri?
Can we bring our own drinks? Can we bring our own drinks?
Tidak, itu tidak diperbolehkan.
No, it's not allowed. No, it's not allowed.
Siapa yang akan memandu acara malam ini?
Who will host the event tonight? Who will host the event tonight?
Seorang selebriti terkenal.
A famous celebrity. A famous celebrity.
Kapan kita akan pergi ke stan souvenir?
When will we go to the souvenir stall? When will we go to the souvenir stall?
Setelah pertunjukan ini.
After this performance. After this performance.
Bagaimana menurutmu tentang dekorasi festival?
What do you think about the festival decorations? What do you think about the festival decorations?
Sangat indah dan kreatif.
Very beautiful and creative. Very beautiful and creative.
Apakah kamu melihat karnaval jalanan?
Did you see the street carnival? Did you see the street carnival?
Ya, sangat ramai dan seru.
Yes, it was very crowded and fun. Yes, it was very crowded and fun.
Bagaimana kita bisa tahu jadwal pertunjukan?
How can we know the show schedule? How can we know the show schedule?
Kita bisa melihat di aplikasi festival.
We can check the festival app. We can check the festival app.
Siapa yang akan bermain musik nanti malam?
Who will play music tonight? Who will play music tonight?
Band favoritku.
My favorite band. My favorite band.
Kapan pertunjukan tari dimulai?
When does the dance show start? When does the dance show start?
Sebentar lagi.
In a little while. In a little while.
Apakah ada tempat untuk duduk dan bersantai?
Is there a place to sit and relax? Is there a place to sit and relax?
Ya, ada ruang tunggu di sana.
Yes, there's a lounge area over there. Yes, there's a lounge area over there.
Bagaimana rasanya es krim ini?
How does this ice cream taste? How does this ice cream taste?
Sangat segar dan manis.
Very refreshing and sweet. Very refreshing and sweet.
Apa bisa kita melihat kembang api dari sini?
Can we see the fireworks from here? Can we see the fireworks from here?
Iya, tempatnya sangat bagus.
Yes, it's a great spot. Yes, it's a great spot.
Siapa yang ingin kamu ajak ke festival tahun depan?
Who do you want to invite to the festival next year? Who do you want to invite to the festival next year?
Aku ingin ajak semua teman.
I want to invite all my friends. I want to invite all my friends.
Kapan kita akan mencoba permainan ini?
When will we try this game? When will we try this game?
Setelah kita makan.
After we eat. After we eat.
Bagaimana caranya kita pergi ke lokasi parkir?
How can we get to the parking area? How can we get to the parking area?
Ikuti saja petunjuk arah.
Just follow the directions. Just follow the directions.
Apakah kamu membawa uang tunai?
Do you have cash? Do you have cash?
Tidak, aku hanya bawa kartu.
No, I only have cards. No, I only have cards.
Bagaimana pendapatmu tentang pertunjukan musiknya?
What do you think about the music performance? What do you think about the music performance?
Sangat menghibur.
It's very entertaining. It's very entertaining.
Apa kita bisa mengambil foto di sini?
Can we take pictures here? Can we take pictures here?
Ya, tapi jangan gunakan flash.
Yes, but don't use flash. Yes, but don't use flash.
Siapa yang akan tampil di panggung kecil?
Who will perform on the small stage? Who will perform on the small stage?
Band indie lokal.
A local indie band. A local indie band.
Kapan kita akan melihat parade lampion?
When will we see the lantern parade? When will we see the lantern parade?
Malam ini setelah makan malam.
Tonight after dinner. Tonight after dinner.
Bagaimana kita bisa membeli tiket makanan?
How can we buy food tickets? How can we buy food tickets?
Kita bisa beli di loket tiket.
We can buy them at the ticket booth. We can buy them at the ticket booth.
Apakah ada toilet umum di dekat sini?
Is there a public restroom nearby? Is there a public restroom nearby?
Iya, di sebelah kanan panggung.
Yes, to the right of the stage. Yes, to the right of the stage.
Bagaimana kita bisa tahu acara selanjutnya?
How can we know the next event? How can we know the next event?
Ada di papan informasi.
It's on the information board. It's on the information board.
Siapa yang membawa peta acara?
Who brought the event map? Who brought the event map?
Aku punya di ponselku.
I have it on my phone. I have it on my phone.
Kapan kita akan melihat konser terakhir?
When will we see the last concert? When will we see the last concert?
Sekitar jam 9 malam.
Around 9 p.m. Around 9 p.m.
Bagaimana kita bisa mendapatkan tanda tangan artis?
How can we get the artist's autograph? How can we get the artist's autograph?
Di area belakang panggung.
In the backstage area. In the backstage area.
Apakah ada tempat untuk mengisi daya ponsel?
Is there a place to charge phones? Is there a place to charge phones?
Ya, di area tunggu.
Yes, in the lounge area. Yes, in the lounge area.
Bagaimana pendapatmu tentang festival ini?
What do you think of this festival? What do you think of this festival?
Sangat seru dan ramai.
It's very exciting and crowded. It's very exciting and crowded.
Siapa yang akan bermain di panggung utama?
Who will play on the main stage? Who will play on the main stage?
Band rock terkenal.
A famous rock band. A famous rock band.
Kapan kita akan membeli souvenir?
When will we buy souvenirs? When will we buy souvenirs?
Setelah pertunjukan ini selesai.
After this performance ends. After this performance ends.
Bagaimana cara kita pulang nanti malam?
How will we get home tonight? How will we get home tonight?
Kita bisa naik taksi atau ojek.
We can take a taxi or ride hailing. We can take a taxi or ride hailing.
Apa kita bisa ikut kontes kostum?
Can we join the costume contest? Can we join the costume contest?
Iya, mari kita daftar.
Yes, let's sign up. Yes, let's sign up.
Siapa yang akan memandu acara ini?
Who will host this event? Who will host this event?
Seorang presenter terkenal.
A famous presenter. A famous presenter.
Kapan kita akan makan malam?
When will we have dinner? When will we have dinner?
Setelah pertunjukan selesai.
After the show ends. After the show ends.
Bagaimana kita bisa mendapatkan gelang festival?
How can we get the festival wristbands? How can we get the festival wristbands?
Kita bisa beli di pintu masuk.
We can buy them at the entrance. We can buy them at the entrance.
Apakah ada pertunjukan sulap di sini?
Is there a magic show here? Is there a magic show here?
Ya, di panggung kecil sebelah kiri.
Yes, on the small stage to the left. Yes, on the small stage to the left.
Bagaimana kita bisa menemukan teman-teman kita?
How can we find our friends? How can we find our friends?
Kita bisa menelepon mereka.
We can call them. We can call them.
Siapa yang akan bermain drum di band itu?
Who will play drums in that band? Who will play drums in that band?
Seorang musisi terkenal.
A famous musician. A famous musician.
Kapan kita akan menonton film di layar lebar?
When will we watch the movie on the big screen? When will we watch the movie on the big screen?
Setelah makan malam.
After dinner. After dinner.
Apakah ada pameran seni di festival ini?
Is there an art exhibition at this festival? Is there an art exhibition at this festival?
Ya, di gedung sebelah kanan.
Yes, in the building to the right. Yes, in the building to the right.
Apa yang kamu lakukan saat merasa tidak enak badan?
What do you do when you feel unwell? What do you do when you feel unwell?
Saya pulang secepat mungkin dan istirahat.
I go home as soon as possible and rest. I go home as soon as possible and rest.
Apakah kamu mengemas tas sebelum bel berbunyi?
Do you pack your bag before the bell rings? Do you pack your bag before the bell rings?
Ya, saya siapkan sebelumnya.
Yes, I prepare it beforehand. Yes, I prepare it beforehand.
Siapa yang kamu tunggu sebelum pulang?
Who do you wait for before going home? Who do you wait for before going home?
Saya tunggu teman saya.
I wait for my friend. I wait for my friend.
Apakah kamu pernah tinggal untuk kelas tambahan?
Have you ever stayed for extra classes? Have you ever stayed for extra classes?
Kadang-kadang, terutama saat ujian.
Occasionally, especially during exams. Occasionally, especially during exams.
Apa yang kamu lakukan saat bus terlambat?
What do you do when the boss is late? What do you do when the boss is late?
Saya baca buku sambil menunggu.
I read a book while waiting. I read a book while waiting.
Apakah kamu berjalan pulang bersama saudara?
Do you walk home with your sibling? Do you walk home with your sibling?
Ya, Kami pulang bersama setiap hari.
Yes, we go home together every day. Yes, we go home together every day.
Berapa lama kamu menunggu orang tua di sekolah?
How long do you wait for your parents at school? How long do you wait for your parents at school?
Terkadang sampai setengah jam.
Sometimes up to half an hour. Sometimes up to half an hour.
Apa yang kamu lakukan jika lupa sesuatu di kelas?
What do you do if you forget something in class? What do you do if you forget something in class?
Saya kembali mengambilnya.
I go back to get it. I go back to get it.
Bagaimana jika kamu harus pulang sendiri tiba-tiba?
What if you have to go home alone suddenly? What if you have to go home alone suddenly?
Saya hubungi orang tua saya dulu.
I contact my parents first. I contact my parents first.
Apakah kamu membawa camilan untuk perjalanan?
Do you bring snacks for the journey? Do you bring snacks for the journey?
Ya, selalu bawa buah atau biskuit.
Yes, always bring fruit or biscuits. Yes, always bring fruit or biscuits.
Apa yang kamu lakukan saat merasa tidak aman?
What do you do when you feel unsafe? What do you do when you feel unsafe?
Saya telepon orang tua atau teman.
I call my parents or a friend. I call my parents or a friend.
Bagaimana jika ada yang aneh di jalan pulang?
What if something unusual happens on the way home? What if something unusual happens on the way home?
Saya segera melapor ke orang tua.
I immediately reported to my parents. I immediately reported to my parents.
Apakah kamu pernah mengubah rute pulang?
Have you ever changed your route home? Have you ever changed your route home?
Iya, jika ada jalan yang ditutup.
Yes, if there are road closures. Yes, if there are road closures.
Seberapa sering kamu pulang dengan transportasi umum?
How often do you go home by public transport? How often do you go home by public transport?
Hanya jika ada sekolah tambahan.
Only if there are additional classes. Only if there are additional classes.
Apa yang dilakukan jika teman sakit saat pulang?
What do you do if a friend is sick when going home? What do you do if a friend is sick when going home?
Saya bantu mereka sebisanya.
I help them as much as I can. I help them as much as I can.
Apakah kamu pernah kehilangan barang saat pulang?
Have you ever lost something on the way home? Have you ever lost something on the way home?
Ya, saya kehilangan topi sekolah.
Yes, I've lost my school cap. Yes, I've lost my school cap.
Apakah kamu mendengarkan musik saat berjalan?
Do you listen to music while walking? Do you listen to music while walking?
Ya, itu membuat jalan pulang lebih menyenangkan.
Yes, it makes the walk home more enjoyable. Yes, it makes the walk home more enjoyable.
Apa yang kamu lakukan jika hujan mulai turun?
What do you do if it starts raining? What do you do if it starts raining?
Saya pakai jas hujan yang saya bawa.
I use the raincoat I carry. I use the raincoat I carry.
Bagaimana kamu menjaga barang bawaanmu aman?
How do you keep your belongings safe? How do you keep your belongings safe?
Saya pakai tas yang bisa dikunci.
I use a bag that can be locked. I use a bag that can be locked.
Apa yang kamu lakukan jika merasa lelah sekali?
What do you do if you feel very tired? What do you do if you feel very tired?
Saya istirahat sejenak di taman terdekat.
I take a short rest in the nearest park. I take a short rest in the nearest park.
Apakah kamu langsung pulang setelah sekolah?
Do you go straight home after school? Do you go straight home after school?
Iya, langsung pulang.
Yes, straight home. Yes, straight home.
Siapa yang sering menemanimu pulang?
Who often accompanies you home? Who often accompanies you home?
Teman sekelas saya.
A classmate. A classmate.
Apakah kamu pernah berhenti di toko buku?
Do you ever stop at the bookstore? Do you ever stop at the bookstore?
Kadang, jika perlu buku baru.
Sometimes, if I need a new book. Sometimes, if I need a new book.
Bagaimana jika lupa sesuatu di sekolah?
What if you forget something at school? What if you forget something at school?
Saya kembali ke sekolah.
I go back to school. I go back to school.
Pernahkah kamu kehilangan uang saat pulang?
Have you ever lost money on your way home? Have you ever lost money on your way home?
Ya, itu menyebalkan.
Yes, it was annoying. Yes, it was annoying.
Apa yang dilakukan jika mendadak hujan?
What do you do if it suddenly rains? What do you do if it suddenly rains?
Saya berteduh dulu.
I take shelter first. I take shelter first.
Berapa lama kamu naik bus?
How long do you ride the bus? How long do you ride the bus?
Sekitar 30 menit.
About 30 minutes. About 30 minutes.
Bagaimana jika ada yang mengikuti kamu pulang?
What if someone follows you home? What if someone follows you home?
Saya segera telepon orang tua.
I immediately call my parents. I immediately call my parents.
Pernahkah kamu pulang dengan sepeda?
Have you ever gone home by bicycle? Have you ever gone home by bicycle?
Ya, saat cuaca bagus.
Yes, when the weather is nice. Yes, when the weather is nice.
Apa yang kamu bicarakan dengan teman saat pulang?
What do you talk about with friends on the way home? What do you talk about with friends on the way home?
Hal-hal lucu yang terjadi hari itu.
Funny things that happened that day. Funny things that happened that day.
Pernahkah kamu tertinggal oleh bus sekolah?
Have you ever been left by the school bus? Have you ever been left by the school bus?
Ya, itu terjadi sekali.
Yes, it happened once. Yes, it happened once.
Apakah kamu pernah pulang tanpa kunci rumah?
Have you ever gone home without your house keys? Have you ever gone home without your house keys?
Ya, saya harus menunggu di luar.
Yes, I had to wait outside. Yes, I had to wait outside.
Apakah kamu membawa tugas pulang hari ini?
Are you bringing homework home today? Are you bringing homework home today?
Ya, banyak sekali.
Yes, a lot. Yes, a lot.
Bagaimana jika kamu lelah sekali?
What if you are very tired? What if you are very tired?
Saya akan tidur di bus.
I'll sleep on the bus. I'll sleep on the bus.
Apakah kamu pernah pulang lebih awal?
Have you ever gone home early? Have you ever gone home early?
Ya, saat ada janji dokter.
Yes, when I have a doctor's appointment. Yes, when I have a doctor's appointment.
Apakah kamu membawa makanan untuk perjalanan?
Do you bring food for the journey? Do you bring food for the journey?
Ya, biasanya camilan.
Yes, usually snacks. Yes, usually snacks.
Apa yang kamu lakukan jika tas rusak saat pulang?
What do you do if your bag breaks on the way home? What do you do if your bag breaks on the way home?
Saya ikat dengan syal.
I tie it with a scarf. I tie it with a scarf.
Pernahkah kamu hilang saat pulang?
Have you ever gotten lost going home? Have you ever gotten lost going home?
Tidak, saya hanya pulang dengan rute yang sama.
No, I just go home the same way. No, I just go home the same way.
Apa yang dilakukan jika teman pulang bersamamu?
What do you do if a friend comes home with you? What do you do if a friend comes home with you?
Kami mengerjakan tugas bersama.
We do homework together. We do homework together.
Apakah kamu pernah takut saat pulang?
Have you ever been scared going home? Have you ever been scared going home?
Kadang, jika sudah sangat gelap,
Sometimes, if it's very dark. Sometimes, if it's very dark.
apa yang kamu lakukan saat pulang dengan bahagia?
What do you do when you feel happy going home? What do you do when you feel happy going home?
Saya nyanyi sambil berjalan.
I sing while walking. I sing while walking.
Pernahkah kamu pulang dengan teman sekelas?
Have you ever gone home with a classmate? Have you ever gone home with a classmate?
Ya, kami sering pulang bersama.
Yes, we often go home together. Yes, we often go home together.
Bagaimana jika kamu lupa membawa pulang buku?
What if you forget to bring a book home? What if you forget to bring a book home?
Saya pinjam dari perpustakaan setempat.
I borrow from the local library. I borrow from the local library.
Apakah kamu menikmati perjalanan pulang?
Do you enjoy the journey home? Do you enjoy the journey home?
Ya, itu waktu santai bagi saya.
Yes, it's a relaxing time for me. Yes, it's a relaxing time for me.
Apakah kamu mengobrol saat berjalan pulang?
Do you chat while walking home? Do you chat while walking home?
Ya, itu menyenangkan.
Yes, it's fun. Yes, it's fun.
Pernahkah kamu kehilangan dompet di jalan pulang?
Have you ever lost your wallet on the way home? Have you ever lost your wallet on the way home?
Pernah, itu mengkhawatirkan.
Once, it was worrisome. Once, it was worrisome.
Bagaimana jika kamu diundang teman untuk mampir?
What if a friend invites you to stop by? What if a friend invites you to stop by?
Kadang saya mampir jika tidak terburu-buru.
I sometimes stop by if not in a hurry. I sometimes stop by if not in a hurry.
Pernahkah kamu pulang dengan penuh kekecewaan?
Have you ever gone home feeling disappointed? Have you ever gone home feeling disappointed?
Ya, terutama setelah hari yang sulit.
Yes, especially after a tough day. Yes, especially after a tough day.
Apakah kamu sering mendengarkan musik saat pulang?
Do you often listen to music while going home? Do you often listen to music while going home?
Ya, saya selalu mendengarkan musik.
Yes, I always listen to music. Yes, I always listen to music.
Bagaimana jika kamu lupa membawa tas?
What if you forget to bring your bag? What if you forget to bring your bag?
Saya akan kembali ke sekolah untuk mengambilnya.
I will go back to school to get it. I will go back to school to get it.
Apakah kamu berjalan kaki jika cuaca cerah?
Do you walk if the weather is nice? Do you walk if the weather is nice?
Ya, saya akan berjalan kaki jika matahari bersinar.
Yes, I will walk if the sun is shining. Yes, I will walk if the sun is shining.
Apa yang kamu lakukan jika temanmu sakit di jalan?
What do you do if your friend gets sick on the way? What do you do if your friend gets sick on the way?
Saya akan membantu mereka sebaik mungkin.
I will help them as best as I can. I will help them as best as I can.
Bagaimana jika kamu ingin makan sesuatu?
What if you want to eat something? What if you want to eat something?
Saya akan berhenti di kafe terdekat.
I will stop at the nearest cafe. I will stop at the nearest cafe.
Apa yang dilakukan jika kucing mengejar kamu?
What do you do if a cat chases you? What do you do if a cat chases you?
Saya akan berlari secepat mungkin.
I will run as fast as I can. I will run as fast as I can.
Bagaimana jika kunci rumahmu rusak?
What if your house key is broken? What if your house key is broken?
Saya akan memanggil tukang kunci.
I will call a locksmith. I will call a locksmith.
Apakah kamu membawa buku dari sekolah?
Do you bring books from school? Do you bring books from school?
Ya, saya akan membawa buku untuk PR.
Yes, I will bring books for homework. Yes, I will bring books for homework.
Apa yang kamu lakukan jika sepatumu lepas?
What do you do if your shoe comes off? What do you do if your shoe comes off?
Saya akan berhenti dan memperbaikinya.
I will stop and fix it. I will stop and fix it.
Apakah kamu pernah berlari pulang karena hujan?
Have you ever run home because of the rain? Have you ever run home because of the rain?
Ya, saya akan berlari jika hujan turun.
Yes, I will run if it starts raining. Yes, I will run if it starts raining.
Bagaimana jika kamu melihat hewan lucu di jalan?
What if you see a cute animal on the way? What if you see a cute animal on the way?
Saya akan mengambil foto jika memungkinkan.
I will take a photo if possible. I will take a photo if possible.
Apa yang dilakukan jika ada konser di jalan pulang?
What do you do if there's a concert on the way home? What do you do if there's a concert on the way home?
Saya akan mampir dan menonton sebentar.
I will stop and watch for a while. I will stop and watch for a while.
Bagaimana jika kamu merasa lelah sekali?
What if you feel very tired? What if you feel very tired?
Saya akan naik bus untuk pulang.
I will take the bus home. I will take the bus home.
Pernahkah kamu pulang dengan perasaan gembira?
Have you ever gone home feeling joyful? Have you ever gone home feeling joyful?
Pernah. Saya akan menyanyi sepanjang jalan.
Yes, I will sing all the way home. Yes, I will sing all the way home.
Apakah kamu membawa hadiah untuk saudaramu?
Do you bring gifts for your siblings? Do you bring gifts for your siblings?
Ya, saya akan membawa sesuatu untuk mereka.
Yes, I will bring something for them. Yes, I will bring something for them.
Bagaimana jika ada pameran di jalan pulangmu?
What if there's an exhibition on your way home? What if there's an exhibition on your way home?
Saya akan mengunjunginya sebentar.
I will visit it for a while. I will visit it for a while.
Apa yang kamu lakukan jika merasa tidak aman?
What do you do if you feel unsafe? What do you do if you feel unsafe?
Saya akan segera menelepon orang tua saya.
I will immediately call my parents. I will immediately call my parents.
Bagaimana jika kamu lupa nomor telepon orang tua?
What if you forget your parents' phone number? What if you forget your parents' phone number?
Saya akan memeriksa buku catatan saya.
I will check my notebook. I will check my notebook.
Apakah kamu pulang naik bus?
Are you going home by bus? Are you going home by bus?
Iya, aku akan naik bus.
Yes, I'll take the bus. Yes, I'll take the bus.
Di mana kamu biasa menunggu bus?
Where do you usually wait for the bus? Where do you usually wait for the bus?
Aku menunggunya di halte dekat sekolah.
I wait at the bus stop near school. I wait at the bus stop near school.
Siapakah yang sering kamu temui di jalan pulang?
Who do you often meet on your way home? Who do you often meet on your way home?
Aku sering bertemu dengan tetangga.
I often meet my neighbors. I often meet my neighbors.
Apakah kamu mampir ke tempat lain sebelum pulang?
Do you stop anywhere before going home? Do you stop anywhere before going home?
Kadang, aku mampir ke toko buku.
Sometimes I stop by the bookstore. Sometimes I stop by the bookstore.
Apakah kamu mendengarkan musik saat pulang?
Do you listen to music on your way home? Do you listen to music on your way home?
Ya, aku akan mendengarkan musik.
Yes, I listen to music. Yes, I listen to music.
Apakah kamu makan sesuatu saat pulang?
Do you eat something on your way home? Do you eat something on your way home?
Ya, aku biasanya beli camilan.
Yes, I usually buy some snacks. Yes, I usually buy some snacks.
Di manakah kamu sering berhenti saat pulang?
Where do you often stop on your way home? Where do you often stop on your way home?
Aku sering berhenti di taman.
I often stop at the park. I often stop at the park.
Kapankah kamu mulai mengerjakan PR?
When will you start doing your homework? When will you start doing your homework?
Aku akan mulai setelah makan malam.
I'll start after dinner. I'll start after dinner.
Siapakah yang menjemputmu jika hujan?
Who picks you up if it rains? Who picks you up if it rains?
Biasanya, ayahku yang menjemput.
Usually, my dad picks me up. Usually, my dad picks me up.
Apakah kamu pernah kehilangan barang saat pulang?
Have you ever lost something on your way home? Have you ever lost something on your way home?
Ya, pernah kehilangan topi.
Yes, I've lost a hat before. Yes, I've lost a hat before.
Apakah kamu berbicara di telepon saat pulang?
Do you talk on the phone while going home? Do you talk on the phone while going home?
Terkadang, aku telepon ibuku.
Sometimes I call my mom. Sometimes I call my mom.
Di manakah kamu meletakkan tas saat sampai di rumah?
Where do you put your bag when you arrive home? Where do you put your bag when you arrive home?
Aku letakkan tas di kamar.
I put my bag in my room. I put my bag in my room.
Siapakah yang sering menelponmu saat kamu pulang?
Who often calls you when you're going home? Who often calls you when you're going home?
Temanku, Rina, sering menelpon.
My friend Rena often calls. My friend Rena often calls.
Apakah kamu pernah tertidur di bus?
Have you ever fallen asleep on the bus? Have you ever fallen asleep on the bus?
Iya, beberapa kali.
Yes, a few times. Yes, a few times.
Apakah kamu pulang bersama teman?
Do you go home with friends? Do you go home with friends?
Kadang, jika mereka searah.
Sometimes, if they're going the same way. Sometimes, if they're going the same way.
Apakah kamu suka hari hujan saat pulang?
Do you like rainy days when going home? Do you like rainy days when going home?
Tidak terlalu, karena becek.
Not really, it gets muddy. Not really, it gets muddy.
Kapankah kamu belajar untuk tes?
When do you study for tests? When do you study for tests?
Aku belajar di malam hari.
I study in the evening. I study in the evening.
Siapakah yang membuatmu tertawa saat pulang?
Who makes you laugh on your way home? Who makes you laugh on your way home?
Teman sekelasku, Andi.
My classmate Andy. My classmate Andy.
Apakah kamu akan mencari jalan alternatif?
Will you look for an alternative route? Will you look for an alternative route?
Ya, aku akan cari jalan lain.
Yes, I'll look for another way. Yes, I'll look for another way.
Kapankah kamu akan meminjam ponsel teman?
When will you borrow a friend's phone? When will you borrow a friend's phone?
Nanti, jika aku butuh telepon.
Later, if I need to make a call. Later, if I need to make a call.
Siapakah yang akan kamu temui di jalan pulang?
Who will you meet on your way home? Who will you meet on your way home?
Mungkin aku akan bertemu dengan beberapa teman.
I might meet some friends. I might meet some friends.
Di mana kamu akan makan siang?
Where will you have lunch? Where will you have lunch?
Aku akan makan di kantin sekolah.
I'll eat in the school cafeteria. I'll eat in the school cafeteria.
Apakah kamu akan belajar setelah pulang?
Will you study after getting home? Will you study after getting home?
Ya, aku akan belajar untuk ujian besok.
Yes, I'll study for tomorrow's test. Yes, I'll study for tomorrow's test.
Kapankah kamu akan tiba di rumah?
When will you arrive at home? When will you arrive at home?
Aku akan tiba sekitar pukul 5 sore.
I'll get home around 5 p.m. I'll get home around 5 p.m.
Apakah kamu akan mendengarkan musik saat pulang?
Will you listen to music on your way home? Will you listen to music on your way home?
Tentu, itu membuat perjalanan lebih menyenangkan.
Of course, it makes the trip more enjoyable. Of course, it makes the trip more enjoyable.